So here you have it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday I'm off. I've got time for myself. I don't like to work all the time. For my lunch this week I have mutton curry, nice thick gravy which I'm going to show you how to make. Look at this, got nice pieces. And with that I have basmati rice flavored with coriander, cashews and a few other spices. At the end of the video I'm going to show you how to make mutton curry. And you can also check out my other playlists. So let's put them all together. First I would like to put some rice, not too much. Basically after lunch at work I'll have to be there for about another 4 hours. So this should be enough to keep me going for the rest of the day. Some of you have been asking, do you have the same thing every day? Well, I have the same thing for lunch, for work, but once I come home, I have something different. Sundays I prepare for the week ahead. This is also called Bagara rice. It's basically basmati rice flavored with veggies and different spices. I got this mutton last evening. Just look at the sauce, it's nice and thick. That's how you'd like to have your sauce. Many people think that if you want more gravy, add more water. That's totally wrong. In my video, I show you how to make proper thick gravy. I have attached the nutrition stats on the screen, so that would give you an idea how much of carbs and proteins and fats does this contain. So here you have it. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Saturday, Sunday I'm off. I've got time for myself. I don't like to work all the time. Just enjoy. So I've got lunch for work. Once I have lunch for work, I'm all set. I don't like to cook at the end of the day. If you love the video, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Bye. Hello friends, welcome to the Spicy Flavors community. Today I'm going to cook for you meat masala. Meat masala is a popular Indian goat recipe that consists of goat meat, vegetables and spices. So let's get cooking. Here we have onions, tomatoes, coriander leaves and green peppers. We put them into a blender. Turn them into a fine paste. We can let the puree cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You can bring it to a boil. Wow, this is looking good. While the meat's cooking, I would like to thank all of you for helping the Spicy Flavors community grow. Right now we are at 496 subscribers. We are close to reaching 500. So let's grow together and grow fast. Please help share the videos to your friends and family and let them also enjoy. Thank you. I've transferred the meat to a pressure cooker so that the meat cooks faster. If you'd like to cook it in a regular pan, it would just take a little longer. Wow, look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? Meat masala. Can't get better than this. If you love the video, please don't forget to give it a like and let me know what you think. If you make it at home, share it with us. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.